Hey folks, okay, so this is the new kit, if you like. It's what you call a Sheddist kit. It's Dark Ice Designs Sheddist kit. This is in the packet as well. I don't think I'll be eating those. Okay, so this is it anyway. These are the components. These are the instructions on the paper. Everything is here that you need. There it is, everything. See. There's the new reservoir, including the new braided hose. So stay tuned, we'll see how it goes when I put it together, okay? Okay folks, so once the battery tray's moved out of the way, there it is there. You've got access down to the, you've finally got better access to it. You can pull the rest of it out, especially that clumsy piece there. Okay, once we basically remove that, I disconnected a few things from the battery tray, including that one there, 2 bolts and the 4 bolts, okay, there they are there, and move the computer out of the way as well, store it in a safe place, okay? Okay, just after you've checked everything, you've put everything back together, you've taken it for a test drive, just check that this bleed point over here is not leaking, because if it's leaking, basically just tighten it to, I tighten it to 10 Newton meters, okay, this bleed point right here. Okay, you can use a crow socket with a torque wrench on the end, but there it is basically, there's a new clutch. This bolt over here that I'm pointing at now, okay, this hose connection to the slave cylinder, if you like, I tightened it to 40 Newton meters. I initially did it to 10 and then 20, but it was still leaking. So this is actually a crush washer. So with a crush washer, basically it crushes and it seals, makes an airtight seal, okay? So there it goes. Thanks for watching everyone.